Alright. I just need to take 5. I'll find out who it is. I don't know who it is. I might get closer. So. Well, I have no idea who it is. I'm just gonna find out who it is.
It's Jacob. He's okay.
Yeah.
Don't worry, Jacob. We won't hurt you.
Hey. Alright.
Hey, Jacob, how long have you been here?
I think it's about 5:45.
1:45.
I bought this for me again.
Right, you've been here, right? What is it?
iPod Nano.
Alright.
Gen.
You got an iPod Nano? Nice.
5th gen.
Yeah. Who's that over there, Jacob?
Well, I have no idea who it is. I have no idea who it is. Alright.
How old are you now, Jacob?
Are you filming?
Yeah, filming.
Have a look who that is over there.
Jack.
Oh, Jacob!
It's
Who is it? Can you film me? Can you film me? Jacob!
Go on, have a look. Who's that?
And that's what's new in life. I'm a Jack. I'm Jack.
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 And that's what's new in life.
What?
And so what's new in life? Do you miss the other class? Do you miss last year's class?
Oh, just not much really.
Not much.
Yeah. Do you like the fire, Jacob?
Me? Who me? Who me? I might.
Like who?
Why?
Somebody's supposed to be coming tonight. You're not Charlie McCarthy's back?
Spotlight's starting to go.
Who do you think though? They'd have more people down
Who's that? Is that Mr. Nellis? Shine over there.
Who is it?
Who is it? There's got one go. Is that your eye?
Yes. Who is this? I don't know. Who is this?
Who is it?
I have no idea, mate. Who is it? Who is it?
Jacob. Jacob.
What?
Do you know where Harry is?
No, he's inside the cafe.
Oh, thank you. Oh, and do you fly rat?
My name is Carly, what the hell?
My name is Carly.
Carly, I'm going over. I'm going over to see who it is. I'm going
Is it Carly Bonnet? They'll be Carly Connors and Grace Stewart. Is it Grace Stewart at all?
Probably, yeah.
They don't pub them.
It's Grace Stewart, so I'm not
Might give a bit of a.
Harry, come with me.
Let's see who it is. What is it? I was here last year, so I'm gonna get out my iPhone now.